perspective, how do events like Proxima contribute to strengthening the academic environment while creating opportunities for meaningful interaction and collaboration between students and HR professionals? So, hello everyone, I'm Akanksha, your host for today. Welcome to season 3 of From the Resume, brought to you by SOA English Cafe in collaboration with SOA Photography Club. We are here at Proxima 2026 in association with Times Now. We have our guest, Ms. Rohini Bare, who is a placement officer at SOA Placement Cell. So, ma'am, how has been your experience in Proxima 2026 so far?
First of all, thank you so much, Akanksha, and the entire team of SOA Photography Club and SOA English Cafe for having me here. I'm truly blessed. Since 2024, I am associated with SOA Proxima, and I am working on the logistics part, like for 24, 25, and 26. I take care of the logistics and coordination with the HR people for their traveling, staying, everything. So yeah, I can say it's bit hectic, but end of the day, it's the students are getting benefited. If the students are enjoying, then my work is done. I get the happiness.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for the work you put into everything you do. So, ma'am, my next question will be, SOA Proxima brings together students, industry professionals, and HR leaders on a common platform.
Yeah.
From your perspective, how do events like Proxima contribute to strengthening the academic environment while creating opportunities for meaningful interaction and collaboration between students and HR professionals?
Yes, true. So first of all, the students of if we can talk about BTech students, engineering students, they are entirely completely occupied with their curriculum, academics, everything. But they are not getting to know how the industry is. Okay, how the industry's trend is going on, and how technologies is emerging. So this is the thought we had ki, if we are bringing the HR people who actually hire them after their graduation, so if they have the direct interaction through the panel discussion or a topic that HR people can discuss, and students are able to hear them, their whatever doubts they have, if they are getting cleared, then it is well and good. Like it will benefit them for preparing their interviews and preparing for their upcoming career. So that is why we decided to coordinate with all the HR people, bringing them to same platform, and so that the students can coordinate and students can get benefited from the discussion.
True, ma'am. Actually, it's been really benefiting us networking with all the HRs, and thank you from
So they will get to know what is networking also. Like from this time of studies, if they are able to understand like how they are going to interact, then it will be well and good for them for a better career.
Yes, ma'am. True. So Proxima is quite large and dynamic event with many teams, volunteers, and responsibilities involved. So how do you ensure that everything stays coordinated and runs smoothly throughout the event?
I can say all credit goes to our students, because we can say Proxima is a student-driven event.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the entire work is done by the students, from logistics to photography, for designing, for script preparing, anchoring, everything. Like when we see an event is a big scale event, we can see like other people from third party they hire, but we thought that our students should do the work, so that it will be visible to all the HR people that our students are doing great. And I can say, as per my experience, the students are extremely polite and doing their work very seriously. they are hardworking, and this kind of feedbacks I have received from the HRs also.
Okay, ma'am. So my next question will be, managing HR teams, working with student volunteers, and handling event responsibilities all at the same time can be quite challenging.
Yes, true.
So, from your experience, what skills should students start developing early on if they want to take up leadership or management roles in the future?
So my answer would be, if the students stick to time management, like if they take it seriously, then of course they are doing great, but it will be more easy and effective if they stick to timeline. Then everything will be fall in place and everything will be smooth.
Okay, so time management is a very important
Yes.
perspective of it. So, ma'am, do you have any message you want to pass on to the young professional and students who will be watching this podcast?
So all the students, I can say, you are doing great. You are doing your best. Uh, all the best for your future endeavors. So we are with you. We are there to support you in all terms of your career journey. So you can do your best and let us know if we can help you in any manner for preparing your better career.
They surely will. So, thank you for joining us today for this wonderful
Thank you so
talk.
much, Akanksha.
And thank you for taking out your time today.
Thank you
It
so
must
much.
have been very
I am
happy.
privileged.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. So, thank you for joining us for today's episode. Stay tuned for more such updates.